Welcome to my channel. If you don't know me and you're new, my name is Destiny. So don't forget to like, subscribe, thumbs up, and comment and share. I have a new guest.
Hi, I'm the one that's going to be showing you. So we have red,
Glitter. It's glitter.
green glitter, blue glitter, and last but not least, silver glitter. That's the color of my jacket. Some glue, which we already put in here. Don't you see it?
And we got some shaving cream.
And we have some shaving cream.
And we have an activator.
And we have the activator.
Which makes the, and you can use any activator you want to use, but we're going to be using Brax and water. So yeah, we're going to get started. We're going to be making some slime for Elijah. So Elijah gets to pick whatever he wants in his mind. You want silver? You just want silver in your slime? You just want silver? And red?
I want all of them.
Okay. We're going to put just a little bit. So I'm going to put it down so you can see Elijah. I'm going to put Elijah like this thing. So, sorry. This is what Elijah's doing. Just a little bit. That's enough.
Wait, let me put some more green.
Yes, me. Guess how much is in here? This is what it is. I'm recording everything. I'm just recording like this. I guess he know what he doing. Now, okay, that's enough. Now we're gonna spoon stir.
Now, what's next?
Get the spoon and stir it up and see what color it's gonna make. Guess what? Before we mix it all, y'all gotta guess what color it's gonna be. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you know what color it is, guys? It's this color.
Let me put just a little bit more.
A little bit more, he said. It's his slime, guys, so don't get mad. Don't be saying any rudeness in the comments talking about anything about him. He's just 6 years old. Right, Elijah?
Mm-hmm.
A professional, though.
Professional.
And then we're going to make my slime. I'm going to try to do like...
Her slime is last.
Yeah, we're going to do my slime in a separate video.
Y'all got to guess it again.
I got to guess the color again, but I guess y'all already know the color. So, Elijah, going to do countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is the color, guys. Now we're going to add some shaving cream.
We already made the slime, though.
I know, we got to make shaving cream. What shaving cream? No, take off the top. Hold on, no. Let me do it. Talk to them. Now push that, which I love. He got it. Keep on pushing. That's enough?
No.
You know, you want it real fluffy? She said he wanted it real fluffy.
Can't help. No.
You got it? You got it. Okay, I think that's enough. That's enough. You don't want it too fluffy. Elijah, just mix it, please. Thank you. Now, take that. Take that. Get the spoon. Get the spoon. Take this. Take this. There.
Now stir it up.
Yep, stir it up real good.
Put that in there.
You can't eat it.
I'm smelling it.
It's not edible. Because if we made edible, then we can eat it, but it's not edible. Sorry, guys. Just putting it over there. Okay. Is it mixed good? You think it's mixed good?
Is it fluffy?
Yo, we're making fluffy, guys. Make fluffy. So, that's what we're going to be doing. While Elijah mix, we're going to be... While I'm going to be mixing, Elijah's going to be adding his activator. So, put a little bit. Just a little bit first. Okay, that's enough. Or do you want to... Or do you want me to mix and then you stop? Now
Okay. Mix.
Mix, and you're going to mix and stop. Mix and stop.
Mix. Stop. Dirty.
It's almost done. Push it down. Don't touch it yet. I'm going to make sure it's slime. Okay, mix.
I want it to be some big slime.
I think that's too much activated, Booty. I told you. Now that's enough. Okay. Now this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna do this. Hold on, let me make sure. Let me make sure that it's slimy and you can touch it. I'm gonna touch it. Big cousin's gonna touch it.
Is it slimy?
Not yet. It's kind of... You did good for your first time.
Is it slimy?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Ah! It's very sticky.
That's this. It's slime. It's slime. Hold up, you're messing it up. Play with it.
I want to play.
Hold on, let me make sure it's good enough for you, because I don't think
It's like a sticky wire spider web.
Yeah.
See, look. Look at my sticky wire spell. Yo.
Okay,
Okay.
there you go. That's your slime. You can do whatever you want. So thank you for watching. Goodbye. I'll check my slime in the next video.